This is a public service announcement. Last and final call. I repeat, last and final call. Last night sa live, may nagtanong sa akin if ano daw ba yung marirecommend ko na i-take na path. Would it be better if mag-individual na classes or if mag-take na ng top VIP? Nung tinanong ko si Carl, I think it was Carl who asked it. Nung tinanong ko si Carl, gaano ka kadeterminado, gaano ka ka-sure na gusto mo nang mag-shift to freelancing or gusto mo nang itry na matuto na mag-work from home kahit side hustle lang this year. And his answer was, sure na, sure na, sure na. So I told him, sabi ko, alam mo, kahit may idea ka na kung ano yung gusto mo sanang gawin, kasi ayaw na yata niya mag-calls or something, mag-top VIP ka. What if after mong itik itong class na to, ma-realize mo na, ay, hindi pala para sa akin. A lot of people right now are only basing kung ano yung gusto nilang pasukin na niche or industry based on what they see sa social media. Many people would even want to be a freelancer because madali daw kumita, na nasa bahay ka lang, 6 figures, ganito kagad kadali yung buhay. No. Freelancing is a business and you really have to be open to the idea na mag-explore ka talaga ng ibang industry kahit na alam mong eto malaki yung kinikita mo pero sabog naman utak mo ganun. So these are the classes that we have right now. And marami pa kami mag-o-open na classes very soon. However, if you check on the price, individually ganyan siya. So unless sure na sure ka na or meron ka ng experience sa kahit na ano dyan at gusto mo lang mag-upskill, then I highly recommend that you take the Top VIP program. Sa Top VIP kasi, ma-attendan mo na lahat ng upcoming classes namin for 1 whole year. So 1 year, 1 fee, 1 goal tayo. If you guys wanna join, you can either scan it or pumunta kayo sa link sa bio, click nyo lang yon. Pagkatapos, it will open this page. Pagkatapos, doon sa may bandang gitna, makikita ninyo open classes. Right under that, nandun na kagad 1999 Top VIP All Access Pass. I-click nyo lang yan. Kung nasa Instagram naman kayo, ito yung i-click nyo. And just in case hindi gumana yung TikTok at Instagram, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook, hanapin nyo itong post na to. Makikita nyo sa mismong caption yung link. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, makikita nyo sa description box. So again guys, last and final call. Hindi kasi ako nakapag-post kaninang umaga. Supposedly ngayong hapon magko-close na to. So we will extend it for 24 more hours. Either mapuno yung natitirang 4 na slots dun sa Top VIP or mag-close na yung mismong form kasi magsisimula na kaming mag-onboarding ng February class dahil nagkakagulo na sila dahil ang dami nila nare-receive na email, hindi nila alam kung paano magsisimula. Yung mga nauna kasi mag-enroll, meron na kagad silang access sa lahat ng trainings even before mag-start pa yung pinakang program nila. Para lang meron kayong overview ano ba nangyayari. So after ng onboarding ng Top VIP, you guys will then start receiving na calendar invites sa lahat ng trainings, sa lahat ng touch-base meeting. You will have access sa lahat ng classrooms, sa lahat ng chat space. And then after attending the live trainings, guys, you guys can also join the internship if you want to. You can have the mock interview or one-on-one. You have unlimited sit-in sa lahat ng application book session. Sa application book, doon ko kayo tuturuan kung paano maghanap ng client, ano yung mga kailangang ihanda. Also, one common question that I get about Top VIP is, lahat po ba ng classes individually magkakasert? Yes, but you have to complete the process kasi mas intensive yung program na sinusunod ng Top VIP versus the other class. I hope this clarifies everything. Again guys, pag sinabi namin magko-close na siya, nagko-close po talaga siya. Ang nangyayari kasi, late na papanood yung video, so gusto hahabol pa doon sa previous batch, hindi na po pwede. So kung nagdadalawang isip ka pa, tanggalin mo na yung pag-overthink mo, mag-join ka na because magko-close na yung February batch ng Top VIP. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!